welcome back to Trending Now. This is your host Ainish, and the tea is piping hot today because I have got some dating rumors, some breakup rumors, and a very popular celebrity who was just running the marathon. All the tea coming to you live, but right now I have to get started with one of the most breaking news headline that I have, and that is Spider-Man Brand New Day may get delayed, and that is because Tom Holland has just got injured. Now he was shooting in somewhere at Glasgow, and what happened is he fell and he got a head concussion. Now reportedly the shooting for the film has halted, but they are not very sure if there is going to be any delay in the production or the release of the film. Now this is not the first time that Tom Holland has hurt himself. He has previously also mentioned that he loves doing the stunts by himself, and when he was shooting for the film that is Uncharted, he had to get hit by a car 17 times. So clearly being Spider-Man is not very easy. Now next, coming to a very popular dating rumor, and that is Nina Dobrev, the very famous star from TVD, is reportedly dating Zac Efron, and this has happened because she broke up with her boyfriend, that was Shaun White. He was not only her boyfriend, he was apparently her fiance as well, but there are rumors that he cheated and she had to call the engagement off. Now before going to Italy to vacation with Zac Efron and his friends, she also celebrated her mom's birthday, and she said that the breakup has been difficult to her friends, and that right now she is leaning on to her friends for support. So Nina Dobrev, you've been my inspiration, and if you are sort of even dating Zac Efron, I think that's an ideal couple. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section below. And lastly, the celebrity who is running marathons and not releasing music has to be Harry Styles, and right now he was seen running at the Berlin Marathon. Now he has completed his run in approximately 2 hours 59 minutes and 13 seconds, and this is a feat in itself. Now earlier this year he was also seen running at a Tokyo Marathon, and this feat has been all over the internet. Everybody is saying that Harry is not releasing music, but I am happy that this guy has been super fit. And also we had the Paralympic star, that is Richard Whitefield, who posted a photo with him. So go Harry Styles. And on that note, I also have to mention that Louis Tomlinson and Zayn Malik were seen together again, and there are rumors that right now Louis is going to release a new album and we may get a Zayn into Louis collaboration. So these are my opinions and my hopes right now from new music releases, and that's the trending tea of the day. If you like our content, please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
94.3 Radio 1.